Thank you guys for coming back to another video with Auto Rebuilds Garage. This video is a 10-minute video of the 2010 Honda Civic build, and it is pretty windy outside, so the door is banging. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see this whole video in detail, be sure to check out all the other videos of the paint, the frame, the wrap, I mean everything, how we picked it up. Go check it out, go watch the videos, and everybody who likes, comments, shares these videos, I mean, thank you so much. Thank you for coming back and watching. I hope you guys are healthy and doing well. Stay safe out there and enjoy this video. A new build for a good price. Just like other builds, we're going to take the video, we're going to show you guys throughout the process of rebuilding this 2010 Honda Civic. This thing only has about 40,000 miles. This thing is hitting the front, and we'll go over here in a second.
All right guys, so we're going to go over the damages on this car. Obviously got front end damage. We're just going to go around. The windshield's busted. The roof got some fading paint. Interior. So this is not a SI, but it does have SI seats. So pretty fancy. And then we got a train in the background. And yeah, I mean, it's got wheels. The wheels are just really pitted. They say, what are they, forged Japan? I don't even know what kind of wheels they are, but we'll look them up. We might just powder coat them. And let's keep going back here. It's got a little spoiler. Got a little fancy spoiler up here that's about to fall off. Red emblems. And if you guys don't know about red emblems, they do add about 15 horsepower. There's an exhaust that's kind of holding on there. And let's keep going. This side is in good shape. Got some bird poop. And then stickers. Stickers also, those are a minimum of 5 horsepower a piece. Yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna start tearing it apart and see what we got going on in there. So enjoy the video. So we're taking it apart. Car's looking good. The damages aren't too bad. I mean, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but damages are looking good. So it's obviously gonna need a core support. Hood, fenders, bumper, some radiators, but motor's good. No damage to the motor. And yeah, we're gonna keep tearing it apart. Just thought I'd give you a little update on what we got going on. This car was purchased from IAA. So if you guys are in the market for a new project or just want to fix up a car for yourself, definitely go check them out at IAI.com and search. They got thousands and thousands of things that you can buy and rebuild. So go check them out. Comment down below on how many hours you think it's going to take to get this car done, and also how much is it going to cost.
Couple days ago, we dropped off the Civic at the frame shop, so we're gonna go check it out, see how the work is done. I'm sure it's good. Let's go get the truck, the trailer, and let's go pick it up.
Core support is painted. What we used to paint the core support was just a couple rattle cans. First, we went down with a base coat, I guess, with a primer mix rattle can, and then we went over it with some Rust-Oleum, metallic charcoal, and it actually looks pretty good and pretty close to the actual color of the car. So I'm happy how it turned out. Super easy. We don't have an air compressor hooked up yet, so this was a easier, cheaper route. That's way we don't have to take the car anywhere. And it's ready to start put back together. So core support's painted. Next is going to be to paint the rest of the parts, the hood, the fender, the bumpers.
What do you think? Should we paint the hood and the fenders with the rattle can too, since it basically almost
Maybe. The only thing that sucks is the color match, the butt match. But
it's okay.
yeah, this color really looks good. I don't know. I'm surprised how good a rattle can. I don't think I've ever painted a core support with a rattle can. Today we are prepping the panels for paint. So we are gonna jam all the panels, get them all put back on the car, and get this car one step closer to getting done. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below, and let's get to work.
So we got the truck, the trailer. Gonna pull the Civic out to the trailer and go get it painted. Hopefully everything will be good. The Civic does start. What did we have to do? I don't think we told them.
Change the fuse.
Change the fuse, and that's about it.
We got the car, it's back from wherever we painted it at. So, paint looks amazing, turned out freaking awesome, but the color matched not so well. As you can see, it looks a lot worse in the camera than it does in person.
This is all. Comment below as well what you guys want to see on the channel. What kind of car, a truck, SUV, let us know, and we'll see you guys on the next video.